What was the hardest part of their enlistment era?
BTS for me was like a life buoy. Kasi in pandemic, and I feel like a lot of armies will have the same experience. Like, sobrang cheesy, but they really did save me,
Yeah.
you know, to a certain degree. Nung nag-Yet to Come, parang lahat ng emotions na connected sa kanila, nag-boil over eh. Alam mo yun?
Yeah,
It did
yeah.
really feel like it's coming to an end. I mean, feel ko pa yung emotion. Parang it really felt like goodbye. Alam mo yun, from people who have supported you for so long. Kasi parang in a way, yung journey, yung sila, parang kind of mirrors also my own journey at that time.
Oh, kasi global star ka din nun.
Girl, global star talaga. I do stadium.
Siguro lang for me with Yet to Come, yes, it did feel like a goodbye. It was still hopeful. And it was mirroring my experience too back then.
Global superstar
Oh,
ka din.
global! Galing na ako to-share to.
Ikaw ba global superstar ka din?
Oh, isipin ko muna.
Yung messaging niya talaga is something like good things don't come easy. Parang ganon. And it actually got me hopeful. May tinatapos ako na chapter din sa buhay ko nun.
Correct.
Pero alam kong it's not over. There's still
Yeah.
yet to come.